In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your password protected page in Squarespace. If you want your lock screen to feel more polished and consistent with the rest of your website, Squarespace gives you a few simple built-in options to customize it. We'll go through the process from accessing the correct area in your site settings all the way to adjusting the branding and visual style. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and clicking on Website. This is where the main structure and design settings for your site are managed. From there, click on Pages so you can access the full list of your site's pages and special page settings. Once you're in Pages, look for System Pages and click into that section. System Pages includes pages that Squarespace generates for special purposes like error pages, checkout pages, and in this case, the password protected lock screen. Inside that section, click on Lock Screen to open the settings for your password protected page. Now that you're on the lock screen settings page, click on Change Layout. This will open the layout options available for the password page. Take a moment to browse through the designs and choose the one that best fits your site's overall look. Some layouts feel more minimal, while others place more emphasis on branding or messaging, so it helps to choose the one that matches the experience you want visitors to have before they enter your site. After you've found a layout you like, click Select and then click Save to apply the change. Saving here is important so your chosen layout is actually updated on the page. Next, go back to the lock screen settings and click on Branding and Text. In this section, under Branding, you can choose whether the page displays text or a logo. This is useful if you want the lock screen to reinforce your brand identity in a simple and professional way. If your logo is already prepared, using it can create a stronger visual connection with the rest of your website. If not, text can still keep things clean and clear. Finally, click on Style. This is where you can adjust the color, size, and overall style of the lock screen elements. These visual settings help you fine-tune the page so it better matches your website's fonts, color palette, and design tone. As you make changes, try to keep readability in mind so visitors can easily understand what they're seeing and how to access the site. And that's it. That's how you style your password protected page in Squarespace using the layout, branding, and style settings available in the lock screen section.